In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hootsuite subscription. If you've decided Hootsuite isn't the right fit anymore, or you just need to pause your plan, I'll walk you through the exact process to stop future billing. We'll keep it simple, clear, and thorough so you don't miss anything important. First, log into your Hootsuite account. I recommend doing this on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, since all the options you need are easy to find there. Use the official Hootsuite website, sign in with your usual credentials, and, if prompted, complete any two-factor authentication. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you want to manage, especially if you've used Hootsuite with multiple teams or businesses. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile or account menu. It's usually your avatar or initials. Click that to open your account options. This is where Hootsuite keeps the settings related to your plan and billing, and it's the quickest path to the cancellation tools. From that menu, open your billing, plan, or subscription settings. The wording can vary slightly depending on your interface, but you're looking for a section that mentions billing, plan, or subscription. When you open it, you'll see details like your current plan, renewal date, and payment method. Take a moment to note your next charge date so you know when changes will take effect. Next, select your active subscription. If you see more than one entry, choose the plan that's currently in use. This page typically shows your plan level, price, and renewal schedule. It's helpful to review these details so you understand what you're changing. Now, choose Cancel Subscription or Manage Plan. Some accounts show a cancel button right away, while others require you to click Manage Plan first to access the cancellation option. Both routes take you to the same place. If you only see options to change or downgrade, keep clicking through until you find the cancel or end subscription choice. Finally, follow the confirmation steps to stop future billing. Hootsuite may ask for a reason, remind you of what you'll lose after cancellation, and show the date your access will change. Read each prompt carefully, then confirm. When you're done, you should see a message indicating your subscription won't renew. Keep the page open for a moment and make sure the status reflects that change. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Hootsuite subscription and stopped future billing. Thanks for watching and take care.